Hey, Steve Young here from RidePower. Welcome to Thunder Beach. We're out here, Frank Brown Park, for this rally. RidePower, we've been listening to our customers. We've been listening to the bikers. And here's what we have. We started off with the SAE to the micro USB. Then they said, hey, we want to connect to USB. So, USB to Lightning, 4-foot cable. USB to micro USB. We also have a 7.5-inch USB to USB-C, USB to Lightning, and we have come up with something that is just really, really great. A lot of people like these. They're the connects to your battery terminal, your wiring harness. Then what it does, it comes in here and it shows you how much power your battery has on your bike. 12 volts, so it's a voltage meter. Then, here we go, 2 USB ports. It's capable of charging your cell phone and an iPad or a tablet at the same time. If you're only using one, you cover the other one up, just like so. There you go. Small, compact. All of RidePower chargers have a 1-year warranty. We guarantee them. We want to hear back from you. We want to know what's going on in the biker world when it comes to charging your devices, your cell phones, your iPads, your GoPros. RidePower, we want to know. So, if you have any questions, come on out to Thunder Beach, Frank Brown Park. We are here. We're going to be here until the 5th. We will see you there. If you have any more questions or you want to get questions online, you can go to ridepower.net. That's ridepower.net. Steve Young, you guys ride safe. We'll see you soon.